Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your MTV Play subscription and start watching content, follow these step-by-step instructions to get access to full episodes and exclusive MTV shows. Step 1. Ensure you have a valid TV provider subscription that includes MTV in your channel package. MTV Play requires authentication through a participating TV provider. Step 2. Download the MTV app from the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or access it on your smart TV or streaming device. Step 3. Open the MTV app on your device. Step 4. Select Sign In or Activate from the main menu. Step 5. The app will display an activation code on your screen, along with instructions to visit mtv.com, activate. Step 6. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and navigate to mtv.com, activate. Step 7. Select your TV provider from the list of participating providers displayed on the website. Step 8. Log into your TV provider account using your username and password. Step 9. Enter the activation code shown on your device into the provided field on the website. Step 10. Click Activate or Submit to link your device to your TV provider account. Step 11. Return to your device and wait for the MTV app to refresh and display full access to content. Step 12. You can now browse and stream full episodes, behind-the-scenes content, and exclusive MTV shows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.